Cardiotonics. Cardiotonic agents that have a strengthening effect on the heart or that can increase cardiac output. They may be cardiac glycosides. The following crude drugs are classified as cardiotonics: digitalis leaf, Arjuna bark. Digitalis leaves. Synonyms: digitalis, purple foxglove, finger flowers, lady's glove, foxglove leaves, Folia digitalis. Biological sources: digitalis consists of dried leaves of Digitalis purpurea, belonging to family Scrofloriaceae. Geographical sources: it is mainly found in England, Germany, France, North America, India, Iraq, Japan, Kurdistan, Mexico, Nepal, Spain, Turkey. Cultivation and collection. Digitalis is a biennial herb growing wild, but good quality of the drug is obtained especially from cultivated plant. The plant will flourish best in well-drained, loose soil, preferably of siliceous origin with some slight shade. The plants growing in sunny situations possess the active qualities of the herb in a much greater degree than those shaded by trees, and it has been proved that those grown on a hot sunny bank protected by wood give the best results. Collection of these leaves is carried out from September to November by hand, and thus other organic matter and discolored leaves are avoided. After collection, the leaves should be dried as soon as possible at 60 degrees Celsius. By quick drying, characteristic green color of the leaves is maintained. Drying is carried out till moisture is not more than 5%. Leaves are packed under pressure in airtight containers. Morphology. Color: dark grayish green in color. Odor: odorless. Taste: bitter. Shape: ovate, lanceolate to broadly ovate. Leaves have a subacute apex, decurrent base and crenate or dentate margin. The upper surface of leaf is hairy, slightly pubescent, dark green and little wrinkled. The lower surface of leaf is hairy, grayish green and very pubescent. Size: 10 to 30 centimeter long and 4 to 10 centimeter wide. Diagram showing transfer section of digitalis leaf. Chemical constituents. Digitalis leaves contains 0.2 to 0.45% of both primary and secondary glycosides. Purpurea glycosides A and B and glucogetoxloxin are primary glycosides. Because of greater stability of secondary glycosides and lesser absorption of primary glycosides, a higher content of primary glycosides are not considered ideal and secondary glycosides are used. Purpurea glycosides A and B are present in the fresh leaves, and by the hydrolysis, digitoxin and glucose or getoxin and glucose are obtained respectively. Hydrolysis of purpurea glycosides can take place by digipyridase enzyme present in the leaves. Digitoxin yields on hydrolysis digitoxygenin and 3-digitoxose. By hydrolysis of viridoxin, gitaloxygenin and digitolose are obtained. Chemical test. Digitalis glycosides have 5-membered lactone ring. Answers positive for the following tests which are due to the intact lactone. First, Belgiate test. To a thick section of the leaf, sodium picrate reagent is added. Yellow to orange color indicates the presence of glycosides. Second, legal test. Glycoside is dissolved in pyridine and sodium nitroprusside solution is added to it and made alkaline. Pink to red color is produced. Third, Killer-Kalyani test. The isolated glycoside is dissolved in glacial acetic acid and a drop of ferric chloride solution is added, followed by the addition of sulfuric acid which forms the lower layer. A reddish brown color is seen in between two liquids and the upper layer becomes bluish green. Uses. The foxglove is a widely used herbal medicine with a recognized stimulatory effect upon the heart. It is also used in allopathic medicine and in the treatment of heart complaints. It has a profound tonic effect upon a diseased heart, enabling the heart to beat more slowly, powerfully, and regularly without requiring more oxygen. At the same time, it stimulates the flow of urine, which lowers the volume of the blood and lessens the load on the heart. It also has been employed in the treatment of internal hemorrhage, inflammatory diseases, in delirium tremens, in epilepsy, in acute mania, and various other diseases. Digitalis has a cumulative effect in the body, so the dose has to be decided very carefully.